What this incident taught pilots: clear lessons, no hype, just safety takeaways.
Aviation learns through procedures and human factors, not speculation, and that's how lives are protected.
Small deviations stack. Energy too low and a high flare can escalate quickly during landing.
Unsafe speed. Low configuration. Sync rate.
HUD symbology and assertive crew callouts improve energy awareness and decision timing, making
For passengers, a go-around is safety working as designed. Stay belted and support procedure-first operations.
Want more lessons, less hype? Follow Aviation Learns. Next, turbulence myths versus real risk.